Hey there, young mind explorers. It's your friend, child therapist, Mr. Stu here, and today we're venturing into the dreamy world of sleep on MisterStuTV. You might think sleep is boring, but trust me, it's more exciting than you think. Imagine if your brain was like a super cool computer. During the day, it's busy downloading all sorts of information, things you learn at school, the awesome game you played, or even the funny joke your friend told you. But what happens to all that data? That is where sleep comes in. While we're sleeping, our brain goes into sort and store mode. It's like having a magical cleaning crew that tidies up while you're dreaming about unicorns and superheroes. They organize all the day's information, turning your short-term memories into long-term memories. That's pretty amazing, isn't it? But what happens if you don't get enough sleep? Well, imagine your room if you never cleaned it. Maybe that's already your room now. Toys everywhere, clothes piled up high, and you can't even find your favorite teddy bear. That's how your brain can feel when it's overwhelmed with too much unsorted information. It can make it harder for you to think clearly, remember things, and even control your emotions. So even though it might seem more fun to stay up late playing video games or watching MisterStuTV, remember that sleep is your brain's special time to clean up and prepare for another day of learning and fun. All right, friends, that's all for today's journey into the land of dreams. Remember, good sleep is like giving your brain a big high five. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to MisterStuTV for more fascinating adventures. Until next time, dream big and sleep well. Share the love. Bye-bye.